You are about to learn from Wani Tech Space.
With this website that I will show you, you can translate anything into any other language. Yes, literally anything. Documents, website pages, images with text, PDFs, PowerPoints or slides, you name it, it can be translated. And the best part, it is free to use. Now, everybody, I introduce to you AnyDoc Translator. It is a powerful AI-driven web tool that translates in exact parallel with the original. It lets you recreate an entire website page or document into another language while maintaining the exact layout and format style of the original content. It may interest you to know that this tool can translate into over 100 languages in the world, so there is a higher chance that your target language is allowed in AnyDoc Translator. I will also touch on how AnyDoc Translator connects to WPS Office translation features. When you first visit AnyDoc Translator's website, which you will find the link in the description, you'll find sign in or sign up. And I recommend you do this so you will not have limitations while translating your content. Then after you sign up or log in, you'll see their menu tabs like Feedback tab, Pricing tab, the Translator tab, and Home page. Let us get into the Translator tab. That's where the big magic happens. And we will start with the first button, Translate File. I will leave the Detect Language as default so that it'll automatically detect the language of the original file. Click the Target Language drop-down and select the language you want to translate into. Then, in this space, drag and drop the original file or browse from your computer to select a file to translate. Talking of the kind of files you can upload here, AnyDoc Translator supports over 30 file formats, including the popular ones like PDF, Docs, PowerPoint or slides, and Excel or spreadsheets. Even image-based PDFs, you know those kinds of PDF that are scanned pages, all those files are accepted here. So whatever file format you have uploaded, when the file is successfully loaded, go to the tools where you can choose either bilingual view or translation only. You can control the display using the zooming feature. Either you zoom in or zoom out to your convenience. You can also change your target language from the drop-downs. This is a great tool because you are not locked to a particular language. I mean, when you've already selected a language for translation, you can change it again and again as many times as you want. Also, you can choose your preferred AI translation engine, either GPT, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, or whichever one you want here, but it depends on whether you're on a free plan or a pro plan. For now, Google Translate and Microsoft Translate are the free ones. You may need to upgrade to Pro so you can use the other AI models, but on the regular, Google Translate and Microsoft Translate options would do a good job to satisfaction. For the formula enhancer, toggle it on if the file you're translating has mathematical symbols and formulas. Now, when your translation is processed and completed, you'll often get a side-by-side view where you can see the original content on one side and the translated content on the other side. You can hover your mouse on text sections to see the translation alignment or check for exact correspondences just to be sure the translation is done perfectly. Then, if you want to hide the original content, you go to Bilingual View button and select Translation Only, and only the translated content will be displayed. If you are satisfied with the translation, click Download button to download the result, and you will have the option to save either the bilingual file, that is, the original content together with the translation, or just only the translated file. This is more interesting because you can download to convert into other file types like PDF, Docs, PowerPoint or slides, sheets as Excel, text file, or even as a JPEG image file. For example, if you uploaded a PDF as the original file, at the point of downloading, you can decide to download a converted version into another file type like Docs, PowerPoint slides, spreadsheet or Excel, or even as a JPEG image file. Let's go back into the Translator tab. When you enter the Academia section, select your target language and paste the link to the academic website. Then hit the Translate button. When the translation magic happens, it takes you to the preview page where you can play with all the translation tools that I talked about earlier. To view bilingual or translation only, zoom to your convenience, change translation language, change the translator AI model, use Formula Enhancer, and choose your preferred download options. Let's go back again into the Translator tab. This time, we will enter the Translate Image section. Select your target language. Then, in this space, you can drag and drop the original file, or browse from your computer to select a file to translate. Take note, you can only translate an image file that has text on it. It is the text on the image that will be translated, and any image on it will be displayed along with the translated text. Again, let's go back into the Translator tab to pick the Translate Text section. Select your target language. Then, paste the text you had already copied from an external source. AnyDoc Translator text box has the capacity to take up to 5,000 characters for a single translation. That's a whole lot. Once you paste the text, you will see the translation almost immediately. Then you can change your target translation language again if you want. Select your preferred translation service according to what is available with your free plan or the pro plan. And of course, use the copy button to get the result and paste the translation text into your project. Now, how can you use AnyDoc Translator while browsing website pages? Back to the Translator tab. When you enter the Translate website section, you will see something like Add to Chrome or Get Extension. Click on it. Then you'll be taken to the Chrome Web Store, where you click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and the extension will be installed on your browser. Once that is done, you can pin the extension for quick access, or always use the extension icon to search for it anytime you need it. You can then browse to the website that has the original source language. Click the extension icon to pick AnyDoc Translator. It will automatically detect the original language. So just select your translation language and choose the AI service you want, either Google Translate or Microsoft Translate, or use the AI models like GPT that are available according to your free plan or paid plan. Then hit the Translate button. You may want to use the Show Bilingual Translation. This will allow you to compare both the original text and the translation languages in real time. After now, when you go to any website page, you'll see AnyDoc Translator floating on the side of the screen, like I have it on mine. It gives me quick access to change the settings of what I want to translate into. But in case you want to stop AnyDoc floating tool, simply hover your mouse on the floating ball and move downward to click on the power button. Then you'll have to choose either to disable it for now until next time you open this website, or disable it completely on this website, or disable it permanently on all websites. Select your preferred option to disable the floating ball, click confirm, and it disappears. As an extension in your browser, instead of translating everything on a website page, you can also translate only a selected text. When you select some text, AnyDoc Translator button pops up around the text, so you can use it to invoke the translation functions on the text you selected. This Text Select Translator button may follow you everywhere you go on the internet, as you'll see it popping up every time you select some text. Some people may find this disturbing. So, in case you don't want it and you want to stop it, go to the extension button and open AnyDoc Translator extension. Then come to Select to Translate and turn it off. It's the same process to turn it back on when you need it. Now, instead of using online Google Docs, which uses the internet most of the time, I use WPS Office. It works offline without internet. In fact, it works almost exactly the same way as the Microsoft Word app. So if you want to try WPS, check the description. You will find the link to download it safely. Now, open WPS Office and use it to open your original document, either PDF, docs, PPT, or slides, or any file type you want to translate. When the file is opened in WPS, go to the menu ribbon Tools at the top and look for Parallel Translate or the Translate button, then click on it. Wait for processing to complete and you'll see the translation view. On the translation tools at the top, choose the AI machine to do the translation for you and select your translation language. If all you want to see is the translation only, keep the button toggled on. But if you want to preview both the original and the translated languages at the same time, toggle off translation only. The side-by-side comparison button allows you to compare the translation in real time. Compare the translation in real time, either side-by-side or top-to-down comparison. After the translation is done, you can save it either as a combined version of both the original text and the translation, or maybe it's only the translated language file you want to save.
Here is a quick summary showing the advantages of using AnyDoc Translator and the limitations to watch out for. For the pricing, these are the features you will enjoy under the free plan, with the limitations to it. If you want more upgraded features, then you may need to upgrade to a paid plan. So what do you think about this AnyDoc Translator tool? Let me know your feedback and experience in the comments. If you liked this video, smash that like button and click subscribe so you will get more from this channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.